Best iPhone camera settings. Please note that for this video I'll be using iPhone 12 to show you all the settings. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. Let's get started. First of all, open settings from your home screen and swipe down until you reach the camera option and tap on it. First option is that formats. Make sure you select high efficiency. Now when we come back, we can see the second option, recording video. You have many options to record the video at. You can go up to 4K at 60 frames per second. And when we come down, you have show PAL formats. Make sure all of them are turned on. And if you want to lock your camera, you can turn on the last option. The next thing is to change the options on slow-mo. Choose 1080p at 120 or 1080p at 240. If you don't want to record mono audio and want to record the stereo sound, turn on the record stereo sound option. If you want the settings that you previously stored on the camera app to be preserved, you can turn on the options shown. The next options allows you to use the volume up button for burst mode, and you can also scan QR codes using your camera app by turning on the option scan QR codes. The next option, live text, is only available for the iPhones that are updated to iOS 15. This allows you to scan text from your photos. If you want to take the address from a photo, then you can just copy it and paste wherever you want by turning on the live text option. The grid option allows you to maintain the composition, and the mirror front camera mirrors your front camera. The next option, scene detection, comes with only some of the newer iPhones. The next feature allows you to take photos faster, and the lens correction corrects the wide angle errors while taking photos, and the smart HDR makes the photos look more beautiful. So that are the best camera options for your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next one.